Type C bottle things up, but at the same time, they're a people pleaser. So if the doctor tells them what to do, they might be more likely to follow it. Our personality type can affect our health based on how we perceive stress and how do we cope with it. So type A personality types are always in a rush and they're in a hurry, and they generally are extremely stressful, lead stressful lives. They tend to have ulcers and asthma and headaches as a result of being neurotic. Type B personalities are laid back and easygoing and cheerful and may neglect their health. Type C bottle things up, but at the same time, they're a people pleaser. So if the doctor tells them what to do, they might be more likely to follow it. And type D also bottles things up, is chronically pessimistic, and they're also at risk of heart attacks as a result of it. And I want to say that all of these are sort of risk factors. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to have these things, but knowing which personality type you're in can help you prevent some of the things. And there are also some positive associations. So that type A, being that they're so neurotic, are also very conscientious about their health and might live longer because they take better care of themselves. But classically, people don't fit into one of the four. They predominantly have characteristics that may place them in a higher probability of being in either A or B, and then they might have subtypes or other qualities of features C and D. So most people fall into one of the two major ones and then have elements of either C and D in there. And depending on which personality type you're in, you might be at risk for behaviors or health risks associated with one of those categories.